That's beautiful, Eve. Her headset's beautiful today. Good start. Keep flexing your toe upward and pushing your heel down. Steady your hands. Post your hips and not your hands. Okay, when you get in the corner, you can canter and keep your pace nice and steady. Sit up and away. Mr. Lead, trot. Okay. Can't. No, wait till your corner. Trot. Canter. I'll let it set out. Okay, don't jump yet. Canter all the way around. Don't let her break, sweetie. Hands in front. Squeeze a little more. Good. And so, that's beautiful riding. Now, when you come back around, you can jump those two jumps. Good, Eve. You look like a professional kid. Gosh, you're such a hand. I love it. Okay, look. And jump, Eve. Sit back and away. Hands in front. Good. Trot. Trot.